okay? Are you
Yeah.
okay? Were you just running in this heat and humidity?
Yeah.
Do you feel dehydrated and a little bit faint
little
or
bit,
dizzy? Okay, keep drinking the water. Anna is probably dehydrated, which means she did not have enough fluids, especially water, and probably some nutrition before she started to run, especially on a hot and humid day. So we need to definitely focus on staying hydrated, and water is the best way to do that. Since water is a bit boring, how can we jazz up this water and make it taste a little bit more tasty and refreshing and sugary, but without adding sugar to it? So do you guys have any ideas about how we might be able to jazz this water up a bit? Is there anything in front of me that we could maybe use to jazz it up?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. What else? What do you think?
We could add some lemon.
Some lemon? Absolutely. And for you out there, what do you think? Do you have any other ideas you want to share with us about what you could add to the water? What fruits might be really tasty, or maybe even some herbs? Anyone know what this is?
Mint.
Yes, it's mint. Orange is another great idea. Some people like watermelon. You can pretty much add anything you want to the water. We're gonna add some strawberry.
Some lemon, and a mint leaf.
Just push it right in and mix it around. You could drink it right now, or you can let it sit. What I do is I make a pitcher, put it in the refrigerator, and let it sit with all the fruit in it, and it just soaks up the taste of the fruit. It's not going to taste as sweet as a strawberry lemonade you buy from the store with all that sugar in it, but what it is going to do is going to give you a quick taste and boost instead of just that plain water that we do get bored of.
Question time. How much sugar's in a sports drink?
So when Anna came in after being dehydrated, she went right for the power drink, right, Anna?
Yep.
Okay. Why was that?
Tastes the best.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
It has a lot of sweetness to it, and you feel like you're getting energy right away from that, which you are. It's spiking your energy. But we need to really, what we want to show you is how much sugar is actually in some of the drinks that we tend to grab when we're really thirsty or dehydrated. So Anna, we have orange juice, we have a soda, and we have a very bright blue power drink here, which scares me, the color of it. I want you to tell me, and this is a teaspoon, and we have cane sugar here. How much sugar do you think, how many teaspoons do you think are in this orange juice? If you had to guess.
2.
2? But unfortunately, it actually has 6. And this is added sugar.
This is crazy.
Because oranges are naturally sweet. But then unfortunately, many of the juices out there add more sugar to the drink. So you're not just getting the benefit of a squeezed orange, you're actually getting all this extra sugar in it. So let's move on to the soda. Anna, what do you think? How many teaspoons of sugar do you think are added to an average soda?
4.
Okay, well, it's actually 8.
This is crazy.
Yes, it is crazy. Do you like soda, Beet?
No.
No? What do you like to drink?
Beet juice.
Beet juice. That's perfect, Beet. So now we move on to this beautiful blue sports drink, which I do want to note that the color is probably from an artificial color, which is unfortunate. So not only are we dealing with the sugar, we're dealing with artificial colors here. But how many, Anna, I know a lot of people go for the sports drinks. They're promoted to kids all the time. How much added sugar, teaspoons of sugar, do you think are in this sports drink versus the cola and the orange juice?
I'm gonna guess 5.
It's actually 9. So show me 9. 9 teaspoons. Beet, take a look at these piles in front of you. So what do you think so far, Beet? Which drink would you want, Beet?
I don't want any of them. I want beet juice.
So what is this basically telling us? This is telling us that there's a lot of sugar that we do not need in our bodies added to a lot of the drinks that we tend, all of us, you know, whether you're an adult or a kid, we tend to grab these types of drinks and we're getting all this extra added sugar when we could have water with all those fruits in it, or even there's some other options, squeezing lemon right out of a lemon and making lemonade. But if you take a good look at this, that's a big pile of sugar that's going right into your body.
Now you can go take your quiz.
Hey kids, just a quick reminder, don't use any tools, appliances, knives, or kitchen utensils without the help of your family member or an adult around.